The sound that comes before a root word is called a prefix. A prefix. When the prefix is added, it changes the meaning of the word. That's what a prefix does. Get ready, kids. I'm going to teach you some prefixes. The first prefix is re. Let's say it 4 times. Re, 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 re. And how do you spell re? R-E. Again, R-E. And what does the prefix re mean? Again. What does it mean? Again. One more time. Again. Good job. I have an example for you. When you read a story and then you read it again, that's called reread. Boys and girls, we are going to add the prefix re to the beginning of each root word to make a new word with a different meaning. Let's read. Reread, replay, redo, rewrite, refill, redraw, remake, rebuild, respell, review, replant, repaint. Great job, boys and girls. The second prefix is pre. Say it with me. Pre, 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 pre. And how is it spelled? P-R-E. Again, P-R-E. And what does it mean? Before. What does it mean? Before. Before. Here is an example. My dog Champ is being wet down with water, which is called pre-wash, before he gets a real wash with soap. Now we are going to add the prefix pre to the beginning of each root word. Pre-wash, prefix, preschool, prepay, preheat, pre-cook, preview. Good job again, boys and girls. The third prefix is un. Say it 4 times with me. Un, 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 un. And how do you spell it? U-N. Again. U-N. And boys and girls, what does un mean? Not. Say it with me. Not. Again, not. Un means not. Good job. Look at this example. This young boy is happy. You can see by the smile on his face he's a happy young man. Now, this boy is unhappy. Look at his face, he's angry. He is unhappy, which means not happy. Boys and girls, read with me. Unhappy, untie, unafraid, undo, unlucky, unsafe, unlock, unfair. The fourth prefix is dis. Say it 4 times with me. dis, 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 dis. And how is dis spelled? D-I-S. Again, D-I-S. And what does it mean? Not. Another prefix that means not. What does it mean? Not. Again, not. Boys and girls, can you see the two birds in the cage? The two birds appear in the cage before us so we can see them. Can you see them? Now watch the magician. He's gonna put a cover over the birds. Keep your eyes on the covered cage. You're going to see some magic. Look! The birds and the cage disappeared! Disappear. Boys and girls, say the root words with the prefix dis. Disappear. Dislike. Disagree. Dishonest. The last prefix is miss. Say it with me 4 times. Miss. 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 And how do you spell miss? M-I-S. Again, M-I-S. And what does the prefix miss mean, boys and girls? Wrong. Again, wrong. Miss means what? Wrong. Say it one more time. Wrong. The example is the baby donkey knows how to behave. The donkey is still and quiet. Now the baby donkey is displaying wrong behavior. Misbehave. Look how the donkey misbehaved. Boys and girls, read the root words with the prefix miss with me. Misbehave, mistake, misplace, miscount, misuse, misspell, misjudge, misunderstand. Boys and girls, adding a prefix to the beginning of a root word will make new words with different meanings. Boys and girls, I want you to be good to yourself and have fun learning. And I'll see you the next time. Check out my English language arts and math book with DVDs. Take a rest break and let me encourage and teach your child or children like we are in a classroom. Just put in the DVD and select a lesson from the table of contents and off we go. English language arts and math books are generic. They can be used for 1st through 3rd grade. All 3 learning styles are used so no child is left